Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about determinants. This chapter has a weightage of 9 marks bifurcated in 1 marker, 2 marker and 6 marker question. Children, this chapter is very important, scoring and interesting. This chapter is very important from board point of view also. So let us now define what is a determinant. Children, any square matrix, or I can say every square matrix, can be expressed or associated with a number. That number is known as determinant of the given matrix. This number can be real, can be a complex number. Now, determinants can be represented as this sign, or it can be represented with this sign, or it can be represented with del. This is two standing lines of determinant, or determinant of A or del. Now let's see how we can find out that number of a given matrix. In example, let us take just 1 into 1 matrix. This is your 1 into 1 matrix because row is 1 and column is 1. That's why it is 1 into 1 matrix. If you want to find out, say this is your matrix A. If you want to find out determinant of A, then it will just be this number. Now you see in example 2, if it is, that means a matrix is of 2 into 2 order, say this is matrix of 2 into 2 order, then determinant of A can be calculated in this order only. That is 4 into 1 minus 3 into 2. It should be always taken in this order only. So this is 4 minus 6, which is equal to minus 2. That means this is your number or determinant which is associated with this matrix. Now, before starting with the 3 into 3 order matrix, let us discuss about sign conventions. What are these sign conventions? Children, whenever you want to find out determinant of a 3 into 3 matrix, then first of all you need to find out the sign of the element which you are taking to expand along with any row or with any column. So sign convention can be represented as minus 1 raised to power I plus j. This I stands for row and this j stands for column. Say if I want to calculate sign for the element of second row and first column. So here this is your I and this is your j. So I can find this sign by writing it as simply minus 1 raised to power I is 2 plus 1, which gives you minus 1 raised to power 3. That means minus 1. If you are expanding the given 3 into 3 matrix along your second row, then that first element should be of minus sign. Let's see if you are taking it as, say, element of third row and second column. That means again minus 1, 3 plus 2. That is minus 1 raised to power 5, which is again is equal to minus 1. Let's see if it is third row, element is of third row and third column, then it is minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 3, which is equal to minus 1 raised to power 6. This gives me plus 1. That means for the element of third row and third column, I will be using positive 1. Now, how we are going to apply this sign convention in 3 into 3 matrix? We can see it by an example. Let us continue with this example. This is your matrix A of 3 into 3 order. If you want to find out determinant of A, then we have to reduce this 3 into 3 matrix first of all in the form of 2 into 2 matrix, and then we can do as we have done in finding out the determinant of a 2 into 2 matrix. Here what you have to do, first of all you have to select one element from any row or from any column. So let's suppose I am supposing this 1. So this 1, what should be the sign of this 1 should be decided by this. This is your element of first row and first column. That means minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1, which gives me minus 1 square, which is positive. That means this 1 should be taken as positive. Now, what you have to do here is, if you have taken this 1, then you delete this row and this column, and then you go as you have done in 2 into 2 order matrix. 3 into 0 minus this into this. So this will be 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2, which will be minus and minus will be plus 2. Now, if I am taking this minus 2 over here, this is the minus 2 element here for second row and first column. Now, what sign should come here? It will be decided by this sign convention rule. So here this is your element of second row and first column. So 2 plus 1 is 3. That means minus sign should be coming at this place. Now already we have an element with minus sign, and minus sign by sign convention, so it will become plus. So again you delete this row and this column. Now you are left with these numbers. So 3 into 4 is 12 minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1. So it will be just plus 1. Now again I am taking this 3. That means I am expanding this matrix along my first column. So I will be writing 3. Now see, this 3 should have what sign? Now this is an element of second, this element is of third row and first column. So 3 plus 1 is 4, that means positive, and already it is positive. So plus and plus is plus. So again delete this row and this row and this column. So you are left with this and this number. So this is 4 minus 2 gives you minus 8, minus this into 0 into minus 1 will give you 0. So this will be, say, 1, 3 into 0 is 0, and plus 2, plus 2, 12 minus 1 is 11, plus 3, and this will be just minus 8. So this is 1 into 2 is 2, plus 11 into 2 is 22, minus 24. So I am getting it here, 24 minus 24, which is equal to 0. So 0 is that determinant or the value of the determinant.